Hey guys, this is Eric with Hammer of God Miniatures. Today I have a simple tutorial to make awesome looking wood bases for your miniatures and dioramas. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a sheet of this foam rubber that you can find in almost any craft store. I'm using a color that lends itself well to wood. This is the Creatology brand. I found this at Michael's. I used super glue to stick this to a large piece of MDF so that I can show you guys a little more detail. Next, make some evenly spaced marks so that you can lay out some lines. Connect your lines like so. I'm using a mechanical pencil, which is nice and sharp and helps to scribe a groove into the foam as you draw. Next, make some perpendicular lines across, skipping every other space. We're trying to simulate boards laid out in a pattern, similar to bricks, only longer. It should look like this. Next, we'll start making small ovals with swirling marks around them to represent the knots. These can start in the center or they can go off the side of the wood. You want to keep them random yet somewhat evenly spaced. Next, start lines at the end of your board and flow around your knots, trying not to touch them too much. These can start and stop in a random pattern as well. Typically, the lines are going to run the majority of the board. Here's a close-up of what that looks like. Next, use a sharp knife to make some cracks and gaps where the boards may separate and weather. It should look like this. Now it's time for a wash. I'm going for a weathered look, so I've chosen a mix of brown and gray acrylic paint diluted with water for a transparent wash. Make sure you work it into cracks and recesses and also around the edge. The pencil lines should still be showing through something like this. Use a paper towel to dab off some of the excess water. Unfortunately, I lost the footage, but I came back with some brown washes to darken down the knots and recesses. And here's the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.